Hello guys, this is Shiva here again. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll be sharing with you guys another powerful boom and crash strategy for growing your small account. Okay, so without wasting much of our time, I'm going to quickly share with you guys the indicator setup, and then after that I'll be sharing with you guys how to trade with this powerful strategy. Okay, so the first thing we have to do here is to click on this F icon here. After clicking on that, we are going to be adding our first indicator, which is the awesome oscillator. So you have to click on this main window plus icon, then you search for your awesome oscillator. Okay, so for the awesome oscillator, these are the properties. You leave the level the way it is. All right, the time frame, you make it all time frame. The value up, you make it color green. All right, 4 pixel, and that is all. Okay, the value down is color red. All right, as you can see there. After that, you click on done. Okay, now the next indicator we have here is the relative strength index, which we are going to be using for our levels. Okay, so you are going to be clicking on the indicator window 1 plus icon in order to add the relative strength index under the awesome oscillator. Okay, so now these are the properties for the relative strength index. Okay, the period is 1, they apply to its close. The levels we have 15 and 85. The color is red, 3 pixel, and you click on done. All right, the time frame is all time frame. The style, you make the color white, 1 pixel, and you click on done. All right, now the next indicator we have here, which is the last indicator, is the MACD. All right, so you're going to be clicking on the indicator window 1 plus icon again, and then you search for your MACD. Okay, the fast EMA is 12, slow EMA is 26, MACD SMA is 9, apply to its close. The levels, you leave it as it is, time frame all time frame. For the style, you are going to be making the main color red. All right, the signal is color blue, and after that you click on done. All right, remember it's 3 pixel for the both of them. Okay, after that you click on done, and you are going to have a screen like this once you are done setting everything correctly, as I've just explained. Okay, now before I explain how the strategy work, I want to quickly remind you guys about the powerful boom and crash strategy which I've been giving out, the VIP boom and crash strategy for growing as little as a $5 account. Okay, now if you're a beginner and you have been struggling to grow your account, you have been struggling to grow that $10, that $5 account, and you are finding it difficult to do that, then you should come for this strategy. Okay, this is a strategy that even a beginner that is just starting trading today can use. Okay, so if you want the strategy, if you're interested, you check the description of this video. You are going to see my WhatsApp contact there. Do make sure to message me directly, and we'll discuss on how you get the strategy. All right, so with that out of the way, let's get back to the topic of the day, which is this strategy right here. All right, now how does this particular strategy work? It's a very simple strategy with a very simple conditions to follow. Okay, so once you follow the strategy, the condition I'm going to be giving you, you are sure to make money with this strategy. Okay, so make sure you stick to the video to the very end. I don't want you guys to miss any powerful information I'll be sharing right here. Okay, so now the first condition is that you want to see a spike in the market. All right, so now whenever there's a spike, you check your indicator window here. Now you see this blue line and this red awesome oscillator, and the MACD line here needs to get to the 15 level here, which is our oversold level. Right, so once you see this touching this red line here on the bottom line, all right, you wait for one more condition. All right, so now whenever there's a spike, you're going to see this MACD line get touching the red line on the overbought level here. Okay, sorry, the oversold level here. Okay, so now once you see this touching, now the next thing is that you want to see this awesome oscillator. It will start getting shorter and shorter, and then start crossing below this this blue line here. So once that crossing happen to the upside, immediately you see that it start crossing below the blue line, then you go in for your 5 candles. Okay, you go in immediately for your 5 candles, and you exit the market. All right, now this thing happens almost every time in the market. All right, this is a strategy with a lot of entry opportunities. Okay, so make sure you stick to everything I'll be showing you, and you are good to go. Now that's one example. Let me show you guys another example. You can see now there's a spike. There was a spike here. You can see that it got to our oversold level, and you can see that the line start getting shorter, and in a few minutes it crossed above our blue line. Once you see the red line crossing above the blue line, then you should go in for your 5 candles. All right, so now you can see this is the area it crossed above our blue line, around this area here. So once you see the crossing, you go in for your 5 candles and you exit the market. All right, so this is crash 1000. As you can see, this is crash 1000, and this strategy works on both crash 1000 and bone 1000. All right, so that's how it is. Okay guys, so now that you know how the strategy works, what I want you guys to do now is to backtest the strategy. Make sure you backtest very well and you confirm that it's working for you very well. Okay, so once you have backtest and you see that it's working for you, then you can now decide to go in with your hard-earned money. Okay, so make sure you backtest very well. All right, don't just take my words for it, because I'm not the market maker. All right, so for those of you who are just coming across my channel for the first time, please make sure to subscribe, turn on the notification bell, so that whenever I post a powerful strategy like this, you get notified immediately. And for those of you who have not yet joined my Telegram channel, you check the description of this video, you are going to see the link. Make sure to join and your life will never remain the same. Okay, so that's it guys, I'll be seeing you in the next video. Thanks for watching. See you out.